Hello, and welcome to Joan's English Academy. My name is Joan, and I am so happy that you are here. If you have been searching for a place where you can improve your English speaking skills, learn useful everyday expressions, improve your pronunciation, and build the confidence to communicate naturally, then you are in the right place. This channel is created to help you learn English in a simple, practical, and enjoyable way. Here, we will learn through real conversations, everyday English, pronunciation practice, vocabulary, and simple methods that will help you stop feeling afraid and start speaking with confidence. Before we begin today's lesson, I want you to remember something. Learning English is a journey. You do not have to become perfect overnight. Every fluent English speaker started with simple words, simple sentences, and small steps. If this is your first time visiting Joan's English Academy, relax. You are welcome here. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell because every lesson is created to help you become a better and more confident English speaker. Now, let's begin. Before we talk about English words and sentences, I want us to talk about something very important: confidence. Many people believe they cannot speak English because they are not intelligent enough, they are too old to learn, or their brain cannot remember new words. But that is not true. Your brain is capable of learning a new language. The problem is usually not your ability. The problem is fear. Fear of making mistakes. Fear that someone will laugh at you. Fear that your pronunciation is not perfect. Fear that you will forget your words when someone asks you a question. And because of this fear, many people stay quiet even when they know what they want to say. But today, I want you to change the way you see English, because after today's class, I want you to see English differently. I want you to understand that learning English does not have to be stressful. So get comfortable. Take a deep breath. Prepare yourself, because today's lesson may change the way you think about learning English forever. Once again, my name is Joan, and I have something special for you today. My goal is not just to teach you English words. My goal is to help you understand English, use English, and feel confident when speaking English. Because English is not only about grammar rules. English is about communication. It is about expressing your thoughts. It is about connecting with people. And today, we are going to take the first step together. But think about this. When a child learns to walk, do they study a book about walking? No. They watch. They listen. They try. They fall. They stand again. They practice until walking becomes natural. Learning English works the same way. You learn by listening. You learn by copying. You learn by practicing. You learn by making mistakes and improving. From today, I want you to stop saying, "My English is bad." Instead say, "I am learning English." Stop saying, "I cannot speak English." Say, "I am improving my English every day." Stop saying, "I am not good enough." Say, "I am becoming more confident every day." The words you speak to yourself matter. Now, let's practice some simple English. Remember, you do not need complicated words to communicate. Simple English, used correctly, is powerful. Lesson 1. Introducing yourself. When you meet someone new, you can say, "My name is, I am from, I live in, I work as, I enjoy." Example, my name is Joan. I am from California. I enjoy learning new things. Now, I want you to practice. Say, my name is Eek. Pause the video and complete the sentence. Lesson 2. Everyday greetings. A conversation usually starts with a greeting. Instead of only saying, "Hello," you can say, "Good morning. How are you today?" The other person can answer, "I am fine. Thank you. How about you?" You can also say, "I am doing well. I am happy to see you. I hope you're having a good day." These are simple sentences, but they help you start conversations naturally. Lesson 3, expressing how you feel. Being able to express your feelings is very important. You can say, I am happy today. I am tired. I am excited. I am worried. I need some help. I do not understand. Remember, speaking simple English is better than staying silent because you are waiting for perfect English. Lesson 4. Practice like a child now. I want you to understand something. Children become fluent because they are not afraid to repeat. They hear a word. They copy it. They say it again. They keep practicing. You should do the same. Listen to English. Repeat English. Use English. Every day, choose a few sentences and practice them. Here are 3 sentences I want you to repeat. I am learning English. I am improving every day. I can speak English confidently. Say them again. Let your brain become comfortable hearing English from your own voice. Before you leave today's class, I want you to do something. Write 3 sentences about yourself in the comments. Tell me your name, where you are from, one thing you enjoy doing. For example, my name is Joan. I am from California. I enjoy learning English. This is your first step in practicing English publicly. Remember, learning English is a journey. Do not compare yourself with someone who has been learning for years. Focus on your own progress. Every word you learn, every sentence you practice, every mistake you correct, it is all progress. Now, I want to hear from you. What is the biggest challenge you face when learning English? Is it fear of speaking? Is it pronunciation? Is it finding the right words when you want to talk? Tell me your story in the comments. I read your comments, and I will create future lessons to help you solve those specific problems. Thank you for joining me today at Joan's English Academy. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell because in our next class, we will continue building your confidence and learn more practical English that you can use in real conversations. I will see you in the next lesson.